That's for the kids.
You hear me?
Dad, I can hold it. I can hold it.
Okay. I think we got it. There's the salt. Okay. Next. You did? Okay. No, it was that side. Because I can see the pepper. Oh no,
You
that's
just put pepper on the
that's
other
from
one.
being on the. Ah, the wind's taking the pepper. Okay, now we get the taters. I'm kind of thinking maybe instead of having one right on top of another, we'll go ahead and spread some onions betwixt the layers of roast. See how that works. That ought to be good.
Somebody wants to rinse this out. Fill it up and rinse it out. Everything is out. That's something you want to get out.
Should I take this off now?
Now you can leave it run. You still videotaping me?
Yeah.
Or you videotaping my hands? Huh?
Yeah. Doesn't look like it has much battery.
Much what?
Battery.
Poverty?
Oh.
I'm gonna make this mac and cheese and nobody gonna eat it.
Let's see.
I'm gonna eat mac and cheese.
You got blood on that.
Yeah, it ain't gonna hurt nothing because it's getting toes thrown on it.
Oh my goodness.
What if it is that in a pie iron?
Did you see that? Was that on there?
Yeah.
It is.
Oh.
See if we can get this all in here. It's gonna be close. Oh yeah.
Who is actually going to want to eat some mac and cheese?
Me.
Okay.
Mac and cheese?
Let's get
I'm
some
gonna
water.
get 2 boxes.
Think that's enough?
Put some water in. More pepper.
Oh, where's that minced garlic? Where's that minced garlic? What were you bringing that for? Were you putting some of that in here or just the garlic powder?
What? yeah, the minced garlic.
I'm asking, were you putting some of that in here or just the garlic powder?
Yeah,
That stuff is super strong.
I love that stuff. I'm a garlic fan. I think that's still in there somewhere.
I know it is.
Strong.
Huh?
However much you need.
I put it all in one spot.
It'll be alright.
Man, that stuff is strong. Okay. Gonna let the fire. Gonna burn that down to a bed of coals, and then on goes the roast. It's preheating up there right now, and we're gonna fill the lid with some coals too. Well, I got it started with wood charcoal, burnt down, but I've never done it with wood before, so I'm gonna add a couple pieces of briquettes to the lid. I'll put a couple down in here.
Yeah, the rain put a damper on that one.
Oh, I wouldn't say too much. It's pretty hot in there. You can't get off the clothes. Start feeling it.
Yeah, it's still hot.
Well, we run into difficulties here with the Dutch oven. We got a thunderstorm rolling through. I think it's about over. Underneath the Dutch oven is still, but the stuff on the lid here. Yeah. Do you see what I see? Man, does that look good. Wow. Look how brown them potatoes are. Woo, doggy. Alright. We must resort to redneckery since I forgot my tongs. Gotta get some fresh coals here. Hey, that's a rock. Hey, you see that? Oh. I can't get any of the big coals. I need the other side of the pot iron. Hey, there's a big nail. You see that? What? Who's coming up? Oh well. Hey. What? Get a couple the stuff under it is still hot. Still burning good. Alright. I think it'll cook out the rest of the way. Alrighty. It's time to get your smell-o-vision on. Oh boy, that thing's kicking the heat right now. Let's go this way.
Smells good.
Clear ourselves a little alley here. Alright. My, you're frosting up the lens.
Looks done to me.
It's done.
Want me to go call him?
Yep, it's done. It's time to eat. Folks and neighbors. Want to move some stuff here so I can sit this down. There we go, friend. Look at that. Roast beast.
It's fogging up.
Fogging up because it's hungry. There we go. You wouldn't like it. It's terrible. So terrible. Give me that salt shaker over there.
No, Dad, not the lilac.
Dust me. Put the glory dust on there. That's good. A big glob of fat in there that's all brown. Mmm. This is stuff on top. Probably going to be kind of dry.
Water?
I'm thinking.
It doesn't.
But
You can drink
I don't know. Might not be.
it.
Stuff on the bottom had the juice on it.
It's done, Mom.
Is that good, Dev?
Yeah.
You gonna say super?
Super. 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 Good. Super. Super.
Amazing.
Somebody's watching. Oh, right then you got the crooked piece. No. What do you got there, Ruta?
Zucchini bread.
Zucchini bread?